नमस्कार दोस्तों, welcome to my YouTube channel Trade with Naveen. Currently, I'm discussing on Adani Group of stocks. Adani Group has a news on Friday that Deloitte Huskins and Sales has decided to resign Adani Ports as an auditor, citing the difference of opinion. Another news is Supreme Court deadline for the probe on Adani to SEBI is August 14. So by tomorrow, SEBI has to file its findings on Adani and Heidenberg case. So forget the news. These are the very important news. But currently, what I'm focusing on is how Adani stocks are in charts, how it is paused, how strength it has in a chart, what are the setup it's been doing. First, we'll go with the Adani port, where news is there. Look at Adani port. Adani port has been recovered all its fall till that Hindenburg news has come. Before that news, Adani port was quoting at 780. This is the time of the news. This is the time of the news. So after the news, it has come to almost 380. Now it is recovered back to 800. So Adani port as of now negotiated all the Hindenburg bad newses. Only stock in a group to do so. Rest all stock is still lower. Look here, this was the news zone. Also, you can find very interesting pattern of cup and handle here. You can see here a very big cup, very big cup of 400 points and a handle of almost 100 points. And as of now, it's a breakout. But tomorrow, with the bad news, if it is able to take and protect this line of 780, we still find Adani port is a bullish setup. But I don't know how it reacts early morning. I am also waiting where it opens, how the reaction. If it shows the strength will be good. Okay. Also, I will discuss another counter of Adani Group. It is AdaniEnt. Look, this counter has been made a good double bottom around 1000 zone. After that, it is a breakout. And the way it moves always, it has a very nice consolidation, very long consolidation, kind of a rounding bottom last time. Somewhere with the moving average convergence, it just starts moving higher. Here also, current setup also, it is doing the same thing. Very nice, almost rounding bottom kind of a setup or a consolidation setup. So if it breaks above 2580 or 2570 in spot, it may go much higher, like up to 3200. Because whenever this happened, the last time consolidation, the moves are fast. It usually rallies 1 or 2 days very big. So this stock also in chart not showing weakness. There may be other news, negative news, but in chart is a representation of human emotions or insider buys and sells. Currently, it is not showing any weakness. Both have been a good setup. Another stock is AdaniPower. Even this stock has been showing a cup and handle, but not breakout like AdaniPort. So need to wait for a breakout. It's also very big cup followed by a handle. A small breakout is being done. We have to wait how it acts tomorrow. Because if Deloitte news is negotiated by Adani stock, upside is very good. So first 1 hour or 15 minutes we'll come to know how Adani stocks will react to Deloitte news. Okay, also another stock is looking not so good, but it is looking bottomed out. After the big fall, this stock never recovered and it is going lot of sideways consolidation and finally trying to go above moving averages. Finally, after very long time. Also note that I am not a SEBI registered analyst It's just for educational purpose. I'm not giving any buy or sell call here. Okay, it's just find. I am just educating you about the Adani Group charts. Okay, even this stock trying to capture this moving average after very long time. So the move may be another 5, 10%, 15% move may be coming here. Another stock of Adani, Ambuja Cement and ACC, if you consider, both has been rallied recently, and from the resistances or from the new high, it is touching the moving averages. Even this stock is 15% below the Adani news level. Hindenburg news level. 520 where it was. ACC, another stock of Adani Group. See, this stock around 2400 before the news. Now it has touched 2000 after a good rally and touching back the 20 moving averages. So these 5 stock setup is still good. I repeat, AdaniPort, AdaniEnt, Adani Transmission, Adani Power, Ambuja Cement. All 5 stocks are looking good. So tomorrow after the news, market gonna open at 9:15. In the evening probably we may get news of SEBI's submission of documents or SEBI's submission of probes. So we will see how market reacts after that. Okay, but keep an eye on this chart. It's like it's not untouchable. Even if it falls very less with the bad news. Sometimes the big bottom happens with the bad news. Okay, we need not to fall always with the bad news. Okay, so even if you have the position, wait for first 15 minutes, find out the opening range candle somewhere. If it goes away from the opening range candle, just put a stop loss for your longs, like that. And after 9:20, 9:30, you will come to know how the market is stabilizing. If it has a good volume in early morning and starts trading above average trading price, consider bottom is done. So keep eye on that stock. There may be very, very good trading opportunities. If you like my analysis, please follow my channel. Also subscribe my channel. Thank you.